Sum of the formulas a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Proof. Left hand side this comes out to what? A into a square. Everything you have covered in the class. B into a plus b into b is b square. What you get is a square plus 2ab. This is what the result is. All of you know it. Confirmation is something different. The formulas which will come across to be proved in mathematics class. But here we need to only confirm those formulas and practice those formulas. That is why in most of the questions I will confirm the formula that it's correct. We will practice it and then we will apply it. Confirmation is if a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, then as a first step, let a is 3 and b is 2. So left hand side is 3 plus 2, 5 square. कितना आ गया 25. Check the right part. Check a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 1. Do it. Same. A square 3 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 comes out to what? 9 plus 4 plus 12, 25. This is what we mean by the term confirmation. So, proving this formula is part of maths class, but we will have confirmation only. Then a minus b square is equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b cube, formula number 5. बोलो a plus b. So as and when required, we generally need square a plus b square चाहिए या a minus b square चाहिए. That's it. First part. Second part is quadratic. Quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to what? बोलो. X is equal to what? कितना स्कूल के नहीं किया? Covered in school or not? X is equal to what? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. बुक बंद कर दो. Practice it. Example 1. One x square plus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. Find the value of x. 2 minutes. आराम नाल करना है. सिलेबस कोई नहीं है. सिलेबस कुछ नहीं है. It is all application. I'm circulating an attendance sheet, and on the next page you have your previous month report also. So check your score and you are to sign, then forward it. Fine. Yes. Answer, anyone with the answer, please. Minus 1 and 1 and 1 and minus 2. Step number 1 is to write it in this form, so that you get A, B and C. What is the value of A? 1. B, 1. C, minus 2. X is equal to, as per this formula, minus B. B is equal to what? 1 plus minus B square. B is what? 1 square minus 4A. A is what? 1. C minus 2. 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 minus plus 8 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to what? Minus 4 by 2 or 2 by 2, means minus 2 and 1. If you want to confirm, put minus 2x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 square करोगे ना आ जाएगा 4. X is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2, this is minus 4, this is plus 4. The answer is 0. Similarly, you can confirm for second part also. Book बंद चाहिए है. Example number 2. One x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Find value of x. Time 2 minutes. बोलना किसी ने नहीं, अपना अपना आंसर बॉक्स से लिख देना. Yes, what is the answer, please? X is 1. 1 or minus 1? Second is 5 or minus? Step 1. 1x square plus 4x plus minus 5. We say standardized equation as per this. Because whenever you have doubt, it is regarding sign. Otherwise, you know the formula. Step 2 is to apply the formula x is equal to minus b. B is how much? Plus minus b square minus 4a. A is what? 1. C is what? Minus 5 divided by 2a. A is what? It comes out to be minus 4 plus minus This is 4 square is 16, minus minus plus 20. 16 plus 20, 36. 36 under root is 6. Minus 10 by 2. Minus 4 plus 6, 2 by 2. So the answer is minus 5. Another correct answer ask करेगा please. Example 3. बुक बंद चाहिए भाई. 10x square minus, so that we can get same answer as per the book. Minus 27x plus 5 is equal to 0. Find x. Find x. Answer please. 1 minute more. Let others come out with the answer. 1 minute more. The others can confirm in the meantime. Answer please. Fraction च बोलना please. 5 by 2. 1 by? How many of you are getting this answer? Again, step 1 is what? Bolo? Standardize. This is step 1. 2. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 AC divided by 2 into 10. 27 plus minus. This comes out to what? 5? 29. Under root of 529 is what? 23. Comes out to what? 1 by 5 and 5 by 2. One more example. Four x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Find value of x. First, standardize the equation, otherwise it will lead to confusion. Standardize the equation, otherwise it may lead to confusion. Step 1. X is equal to what? This is A, this is B, this is C. Try. X is equal to what? 2 minutes. X is equal to minus B plus minus B square, this is B, minus 4AC divided by 2A बोलो 4A plus minus, yes, how many? 16A square, this is minus 16A square, cancel. Then you have 16B square divided by 8. Next, it is 4A plus minus 16B square 4B divided by 8 comes out to what? A plus minus B by 2. That means either it is A plus B roots of the quadratic equation, A plus B by 2 or A minus B. How many of you have the correct answer? Same answer? Good. Book refer karo please. Two minutes. Go through binomial 1.2. Two minutes with you. Article 1.4 and 1.5. For our syllabus, the formula is 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx if x is very, very small in comparison to 1. So you have not heard of this. Even mathematics students, they will take up a chapter on permutation combination. Anyone? Shuru kita kisi? Any class? Not so far. That means same for all cases. So 1 plus x power n is equal to what? 1 plus x power n is equal to what? 1 plus x power n is equal to what? 1 plus x power n is equal to what? You will use this at least 100 times in next 2 years. Whenever I use it, I will write the same. Now we need to confirm by examples. We have to confirm. I am not to prove it. It's not a math class. We have to simply confirm it. So example 1. 1 plus 0.01 square as per school method comes out to be what? You are not to use this formula. Without this formula, you have covered it in school. If I ask you 1 plus 0.01 square is equal to what? 2 minutes to solve. Do it by any method. 1 plus 0.01 is equal to 1.01. Agreed or not? 1.01 बन गया कि नहीं? Square of that. So just do that. So as per school method, exact method 1, 1 plus 0.01 square is equal to 1.01 square is equal to, yes, 1. This is what you are getting. School. Okay? So you can solve it by this method. This is 1. Method 2, binomial. As per binomial theorem, 1 plus x power 2 is equal to 1 plus below 1 plus x power n is equal to 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 2 into 0.01. It is 1 plus 0.02, 1.02. These two are not exactly same, but it is less time consuming. Immediately you can write 1 plus 0.01 power into 2, 0.01 into 2, 1.02. So binomial expression give you quick answer, but it is approximate value. And because we have to use it, now onwards, whenever x is very, very small in comparison to 1, 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. This is example 1. 2. One plus 0.001 square. Solve it by two methods. Conventional school method. 1 plus 0.001 square school method. 1 plus 0.001 square, it is equal to what? 1.00 Are we getting the same? Method 2, that is binomial. 1 plus 0.001 square. That is why sometimes you write this is approximately equal to 1 plus n power is what? 2 into 0.001 is equal to what? 1.002. This is exact, this is approximate, this is time consuming, this is less time consuming, or you can say fast. For computation purpose, you can move 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. Using this, we need to find cube root of, बंद कर दो book, बंद कर दो please. Find value of 1000 ones power 1 by 3. Before you solve anyone, this its approximate value will come out to be equal to what? Yes, correct. 1000 is what? In case it is 1000, it is 1001. Say 1000. 1000 cube root is what? 10. So the answer has to be 10 point something. Agreed? But now let us try better than 10 point what? So use binomial theorem to find this value. Karo try. 1000 ones power 1 by 3. Hint, write it as 1000 plus 1. Then think of something. Help. Can I write like this? 1000 plus 1's power 1 by 3. Acceptable? Can I write it like this? 1000, 1 plus 1 by 1000 power 1 by 3. This is also acceptable to you? Same है कि नहीं? 1000 into 1 करोगे, this is 1000. 1000 into 1 by 1000, this is 1. Same है? Why? Practice है. 1000's power 1 by 3 and 1 plus 1 by 1000's power 1 by 3. 1000's power 1 by 3 is what? 10. 1 plus, this is 0.001's power 1 by 3. Now this can be written as approximately equal to, yes. Can I apply binomial now? Confirm, 1 plus something. This something has to be very, very small in comparison to 1. Now you can apply binomial. It is 10, 1 plus n x 0.001 equal to what? Solve it. When you just started with the question, the answer was known, 10 point something. Right? It comes out to what? 0.001 by 3. Find value of 0.001 by 3. One by 3 is 0.33 divided by 1000. How much? 0.00033. Am I right? गलती करना 10 देना है, ठीक है? 1 by 3 कितना होता है? 0.33. So it is approximately equal to 10 into 1.00033. multiply the 10, what you get is 10.0033. If you refer to the book now, it is written 1000 ones per 1 by 3 up to 6 decimal places. 1000 ones per 1 by 3, everything is fine. In the solution itself, what they do is, they take the second term also, 1 plus nx plus, there is some more expression also, but in our syllabus, plus 1 plus 2, I need not write that part. That is why what is given in the book is correct, but is not required. That will take it to the next level of accuracy. One more step, plus n bracket n minus 1 x square by 2. If I write that expression, the accuracy level will increase, but nowhere in plus 1 plus 2 I need the next one. Non-medical students need it, so it will be covered in mathematics class. Okay, even for IIT, my answer is 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. This accuracy is acceptable to us. Book बंद कर दो. Example number 4. Triple nines power 1 by 3. 2 minutes with you. Triple nines power 1 by 3. Approximate value, yes, anyone? Slightly less than 10. Agreed or not? The value is slightly less than 10. Help. Triple nine can be written as 1000 minus 1. So keep on writing minus 1, replace all plus by a minus. Try at your own. अपने आप करो. साइन हो गया बेटा. Yes, this value is what? The result, this is 10 into, this value is 0.99. So what you get is 9.9967. How many of you are getting the same answer? Book refer नहीं करना please. The answer is 9.9967. Same. Example number 5. Under root 26. 26 power 1 by 2. Approximate value, anyone? 5 point something, slightly more than 5. Solve it. We use binomial to find value of 26 power 1 by 2. Twenty-six power 1 by 2 is equal to 25 plus 1 power 1 by 2. Can be written as 25 1 plus 1 by 25 power 1 by 2 is equal to 25's power 1 by 2 1 plus 1 by 25's power 1 by 2. 25's power 1 by 2 is what? 5. 1 plus point, yes, 0.4's power 1 by 2. Now apply binomial theorem, approximately equal to, it is not exactly, it is approximate value, 5 as it is, 1 plus x power n, 1 plus x power n, formula below, 1 plus nx. 1 plus n here is 1 by 2, x is 0.04, 5, 1 plus 0.02, 1.02 is equal to 5.1. You need not refer to the book because the question in the book is up to 4 decimal places. And 5.099 for plus 1 plus 2, our purpose is up to say second decimal place only, that's it. This was example number 5. It is different from the serial number given in the book. So that is why you can just confirm when you take up your homework. G dash, acceleration due to gravity at any height, is equal to G R over R plus H square. The concept is radius of earth is r at a small height, 1 meter, 10 meter. Height is very, very small in comparison to radius of earth. You have to find out the value of, approximate value of a G dash using binomial theorem. This is exact value. You have to basically solve this expression, this part, to be covered in chapter number 6, but use of binomial we can have it. Help. Can I write like this, G R square R, if you take this R out, R's power 2, or you can say, let me take one more step, 1 plus H by R power 2. So if you take this power 2 here, R2, this is also R2, what you get is G 1 plus H by R's power 2. Solve up to this one. Is it correct? Up to this part it is correct. I have done nothing, I have only taken r out from the bracket, r square is cancelled, this is where you are. Now apply binomial theorem. If you shift in the numerator, power becomes, yes, here it is plus 2, power will be minus 2, and then apply 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. Is equal to g 1 plus h by r power minus 2. Confirm this whether it is true or not. This parameter x, h by r, is very small in comparison to 1 or not. Height of this object from the floor is 2 meters. Radius of earth is how much? Anyone? 6,400 kilometers. How much? How much? 6,400 kilometers, and this height is 2 meters only. That is why this value is very small in comparison to 1, and I can write almost equal to 1 plus n x, which is equal to 1 minus 2h by r. G dash is equal to g 1 minus 2h by r. This is the exact expression to be covered in chapter number 6. Nothing to worry. किस तरह आ गया? To be proved in chapter number 6. But if h is very small in comparison to r, you can directly reach to this conclusion. 1 minus 2h by r.